Good morning, class family. It's a magnificent Monday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. January 27th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Monday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will introduce and read a story. After that, we will learn the letter H. Last, we will draw and write an opinion text. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I noticed the abbreviation for this month is spelled with the capital letter J-A-N, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said January, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter J to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. January 27th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Monday. It is Monday. It's a magnificent Monday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. At this time, let's review some of the punctuation marks you'll see in the message. Are you ready? Okay, skywrite and say them with me. Period at the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of a sentence that shows strong feeling. Question mark at the end of a question sentence. And comma. Good writers know where to use commas. After the number for the date, after the greeting, after transitional words and phrases, after the closing, as well as when listing more than a few things within a sentence and including the sight word and. Okay, as we are rereading, you'll notice how every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. And you know what? We do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And every day at school and kindergarten, we're learning how to be a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening, mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family, we're going to go ahead and share the order of what we're doing in language arts, the sequence of events. Let's go ahead and review those transitional words and phrases, readers. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds just like we do every day at school. We'll use so many resources, including our alphabet chart from Benchmark Advance. We'll review letters, sounds, pictures to match that letter, American Sign Language. We have electronic resources, things in person to use, YouTube channels that help us to pump our brains with knowledge like Jack Hartman's Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, and Hopscotch, just to name a few. Next, we will do literacy centers. All right, so everyone's going to log on to Lexia Core 5 reading program. And today, we are going to attempt to finish vowels. Remember, this is the literacy assessment in the state of Virginia, and kindergarten teachers, as well as other grade levels too, but kindergarten teachers are going to be administering this. So when I call your name, come on over and share what you know, and let's try to get it done today. Okay, we're going to do it today and tomorrow, but if we can get it done today, boy, that would be awesome. All right, we also have some other things within the classroom you'll be doing for centers too, including making a certain letter we're going to be focusing on. Then we will introduce and read a story. So we're going to introduce and read the story Stone Soup. We'll be reading this. We'll be using the big book. We'll also be using the electronic version and using our eyes as it's highlighted and read aloud to us. After that, we will learn the letter H. The letter H, like H, horse, and hat. We'll be skywriting the letter H, we'll be blending phonemes with words that start with the letter H, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. And we are going to be using the 5 pre-writing strokes today at school when making the letter H, as well as writing everything else and making pictures and even doing numbers. So last, we will draw and write an opinion text, and we are going to use a 3-step writing strategy. I think, I draw, I write, and talk. So we will be doing an opinion text, and we will be sharing some ideas together in class and getting a chance to write. Oh, it's going to be a great day at school. It is a great day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is a do you like question, and it's going to be a T-chart of yes or no answers, and it is, do you like roasted marshmallows? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like roasted marshmallows?